Good to go.
Here we go.
Stage move. 8 right clip and 8 left hand closes. 60. 8 left hand half clip after and 8 right plus 40. 7 left plus hand half 40. 6 right plus hand long 60. 7 left plus over crest hand bar 50 over wave. 7 left plus hand opens up in and late. 8 right hand tightens, closes left cut and wave 10 right. 180 down mid. Flat still wave 40. Sandy 9 right half Jones 40. 8 left plus can't half 120. 10 left clip out 80. 9 left plus can't closes 9 right 120. Still stop 6 right can't 140. Late 8 right minus can't up in. Brake and crest 6 left can't and late 7 right can't out 40. Brake right can't 0.3. Early 7 left minus raz far 80. 9 left wave 50. 8 left comp clip after and 9 right half open long in 60. 10 left clip after in 90. Flat 9 right can't 40. 9 left plus over crest stir 250. 10 left 090. Tight 9 and 9 right can't over finish half tightens 8 plus and dub 9 left 090.
Yeah, not as smooth.
Yeah, it's slightly slower. 3/10 off. 50, dub 9 right tight minus 50. 9 left minus can't long and 9 right plus half opens 0100. Still 200. Early 9 right plus crossed in 60. 9 left plus can't 80. 9 right plus can't 80. Slow mid 10 left brake 40. Late 9 left minus clip over wave and 8 right can't comp and 9 right cross clip 50. Brake 36 right. Closes 8 left can't 60. 6 left plus clip after and 6 right. Closes 8 left over wave can't down 130. Brake 6 left clip after sketch 120. 9 left clip and 9 right 100. 9 right plus 120. 8 right plus can't 90. 9 left plus closes flat crest stir 140. Wave and clip 9 left plus closes brake 9 right and 8 left can't tightens in and late 7 right can't comp bar 50. Late 6 right plus can't opens in 50. D 6 left can't 50. Late 7 right half can't 40. 8 left can't wave and late 8 right plus can't need over finish. Cool. That was quickest. Yeah, 138.6.